Ito ang Poco F5. This is the non-Pro variant. In this video, papakita ko sa inyo na kahit hindi siya Pro variant, hindi kayo mapapaya dito sa phone na ito. So, stay tuned. So, hi guys, I'm Pastor Rich from Gadget Psychic and welcome back to my channel. So, itong Poco F5, it comes in two variants. Ang kanyang 8 gigs of RAM, 256 gigs of storage will be priced at $20,999. And ang kanyang early bird price is shocking $18,299. And of course, there's the other variant, 12,256. And of course, ang kanyang price would be $22,999. Early bird price, $20,999. More details on the description box below. Bago natin pag-usapan itong phone na ito from head to toe, simulan natin with a quick unboxing ng phone na ito. So right now guys, bubuksan na natin ang Poco F5. So this is the print na makita mo sa gilid. And ang meron ko dito is the 12 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of storage na black color. So buksan natin. Poco. SIM injector tool. We have some documentation. We have your jelly case. And we have the phone itself. Here are some quick specs. Buksan natin. Back is nice. Ito ka ng double barrel na camera setup. Other things inside, Type-C cable, 67 watts of charging brick. So let's take a quick look dito sa phone na ito. Sa ilalim, loudspeaker, Type-C port, microphone in, and of course ka ng SIM tray. I-check lang natin SIM tray. And dalawang 5G SIM ang kaya natin support. On this side, it's pretty clean. On the other side, it's your fingerprint scanner / power button, and of course, your volume rocker. Ibaba nandiyan pa kanyang audio jack, loudspeaker, noise cancelling mic, and IR blaster. Then sa harap nandiyan ang kanyang punch hole na front-facing camera. So yan guys, nakita na ng full unboxing experience ng Poco F5. Ito phone na ito, ang kanyang RAM is being packed together with a LPDDR5, the latest. And of course, ang kanyang storage is being packed together with UFS 3.1, which is definitely yun ang mga best ones na meron ngayon sa industry. So, kita natin na binibigyan ni Poco sa inyo the best speed. So, expect mo mabilis din itong phone na ito, ang kanyang performance. And of course, sinamahan siya ng liquid cooling technology version 2.0. So, expect nyo a little bit cooler than the predecessor na meron dito sa phone na ito. So, itong phone na ito, as you all know, it's packed together with the Snapdragon 7 Plus Gen 2. And this processor is being made by TSMC. So, alam natin ang kanyang kakayahan. It's better pagdating sa performance, especially sa speed. So kung tinignan natin ang kanyang benchmark score, makita mo it's 918,000 points dito sa Antutu benchmark. Now, if you break it down further, ito ang makikita natin mga points. Now, if you check Geekbench, this is the score din na makukuha natin, which is quite good. Now, like any phones na meron ni Poco na F-series, this one has a 120Hz of screen refresh rate. So alam naman natin na this one should be smooth like butter. Ang kanyang screen size is 6.67 and this one has a Flow AMOLED display. And ang kanyang touch sampling rate is 240 and ang kanyang maximum brightness is 1000 nits. Quite bright. And by the way guys, ang kanyang harap is being protected by the Corning Gorilla Glass 5 and ang kanyang gilid is plastic frames and ang kanyang likod is plastic back. So one of the problems na mapapansin mo is ang daming fingerprints pag hinawakan mo. But of course, you can always opt to buy some case like this one. So nabili ko to sa Shandy Masangkay. This is called the Beetle case. So once na sinalpak mo siya dito, goodbye fingerprint. So hindi mo na siya problemahin. And added protection din siya. And may marami siya mga side bumpers dito to absorb yung mga shock once na nalaglag ng phone na ito accidentally. So if you want to know kung saan pwede mabili ito, link on the description. And nanood kami ng whole family ko ng video using this phone. And sabi ng mga anak ko, no, ang ganda ng resolution dahil AMOLED display niya. And nanood kami ng Duty After School. And medyo marami siyang dark scene. So mapapansin mo, no, the black, nagsistand out ang black niya. Black is blacker. And pag naglabasan ng mga kalaban, yung mga spears na tinatawag nila, mapapansin mo na, uy, very sharp and very litaw na litaw talaga yung colors niya. Which very much enjoyable when you're watching all of your favorite films dito sa phone na ito. It's definitely a good one for the whole family, for the barkada. Panalo. Now, of course, habang nanood kami, naka-max out ang kanyang loudspeaker dito sa phone na ito. Stereo speaker nga siya, by the way. Okay naman siya. Narinig naman namin kaming apat. So, okay ang kanyang loudspeaker. Kaya na i-cover 4 o 5 tao. Now, of course, syempre, ang mga phones na yun, ginagamit naman natin sa social media. So, pag sinwipe mo, mabilis. Very responsive naman. As long as you have stable and good internet, browsing on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and of course, Twitter. Lahat yan should be as smooth like this. So one of my favorite dito sa phone nito is ang kanyang form factor. Masarap siyang hawakan. And for me, just ample enough na bitbitin ko sa aking pocket. Yung grip ko dito sa phone na ito is saktong-saktuhan lang sa akin. And another thing na nagustuhan ko dito sa kanya is andyan pa kanyang audio jack. So itong phone na ito has 5,000 mAh of battery. You can support up to 67 watts of fast charging. So chinarge ko naman siya from 10 to 100. And tapos naman tayo in roughly 1 hour and 20 minutes to complete the full charging cycle dito sa phone na ito. Now guys, I have one good news para sa inyo. Battery endurance itong phone na ito is even better than the Pro variant. This one was able to score a 17 hours and 18 minutes na screen on time. This one is being tested at 50% brightness and 60 Hz of screen refresh rate. I can say na mas makunat ang battery nitong phone na ito as compared sa ng Pro na brother. And tinest ko naman itong phone na ito on daily average usage using for calls, for text, for browsing the social media, taking photos, watching videos, and of course, playing some games. Kaya-kaya na 1.5 days, but I think it can even stretch further sa 2 days if you can manage it a little bit better than what I did. So probably one of the things na inaantay nyo dito sa review natin is gaming test. So nilaro ko naman siya ng games. And ang nilaro ko is Call of Duty Mobile and Genshin Impact. So si Call of Duty Mobile, nilaro ko siya on high settings. So, okay, no question asked, smooth na smooth, wala akong naging problema. This touch response is good, the sounds is good, the screen display is good. And well, after 1 hour, nag-enjoy pa rin ako. So definitely okay na okay siya. So expect mo sa ML, PUBG, okay din ang kanyang performance dito sa phone na ito. Now, when we go over sa Tower Fantasy. This one is medyo mas intense siya. No? So, expect natin na probably, baka medyo mahirapan siya ng konti. But I was wrong. Kasi sinabi ko naman initially sa inyo, this one has flagship level like na performance na kaya na lumaban sa 8 plus Gen 1, 8 Gen 1. So, sinagad naman natin yung graphics dito sa Tower Fantasy. Nilagyan naman natin sa boost mode, sa game turbo mode. Then, of course, sa loob ng game, minax out natin, 60 FPS ang graphical settings. So for the first 15 minutes, okay, smooth na siya. And for the latter 15 minutes, playing with mga boss, then of course, lumalaban tayo sa mga minor na kalaban, okay naman siya. Wala masyadong napapansin na frame drops. If ever man, kung medyo marami ng action, mapapansin mo may kunting-kunting delay, but well, for me, it's quite negligible. Halos hindi ko naman siya napapansin. So if you're strolling around, roaming around, okay, smooth naman siya. And of course, if you're taking some swimming sa lake or sa dagat, it's also smooth. So take it from me, ang gaming performance dito sa Poco F5, hindi siya talo sa Poco F5 Pro. So pag-usapan naman natin ang camera nito phone na ito. This one has a 64MP na main camera sensor. And by the way, ang gamit nila dito is OV64B from OmniVision. And it has together with a 8MP na ultra-wide lens and 2MP na macro lens. It can shoot up to 4K and 30 FPS. And ang kanyang harap is a 16MP na front-facing shooter which can shoot up to 1080p and 60 FPS. Taking some of the outdoor shots, masasabi ko sa inyo guys, outright, it's sharp. Okay naman kanyang mga shots na nakuha natin. And I kinda like yung mga color reproduction niya, hindi siya saturated. And what I like also dito, when you're taking some shots sa sky, mapapansin mo yung mga clouds is very detailed pa rin. Yung mga parang cotton, hindi siya katulad ng iba, pag pinicture parang isang buong block. Ito, well, preserved pa rin ang kanyang details. Now, using the ultra-wide lens, the main camera sensor, of course, the 2x zoom, well, for me, okay. Okay na okay ang mga shots ko. So, probably the only napapansin ko lang sa kanya is iba ang color resolution niya when you're using the ultra-wide lens. Now, if you're taking some photos naman using the rear camera on indoor situation na medyo low light, magandang mga shots na nakuha ko, be it some food shots, mga isaw, mga sashimi, sushi, okay. It's very yummy looking and it looks really nice ang kanyang color reproduction. It's really nice, hindi siya oversaturated, which some of the cameras might oversaturate it. Ito, tama lang, tamang saturation lang. And some of these shots are quite delightful, lalo yung mga product shot na kuha ko sa mga sneakers. And pagdating naman sa night shot, medyo hindi lang super ganda, but overall, kaya naman magtawid. But for me, I could expect it better. Pero dito lamang si F5 Pro, mas maganda ang kanang resolution we're taking night photography. Now, using the front-facing camera naman to take some photos, I can say okay naman, but there are sometimes na medyo namumuti tayo, na overexposed, and yung details sa likod natin, mapapansin natin, medyo nawawala, nagiging invisible. So probably that's the limitation din dito sa kind of front-facing camera. And some of the indoor shots are quite nice and decent as long as maganda yung lighting. It was able to capture in some really nice ones. Now, using the front-facing camera to take some vlogs, honestly, magandang resolution. And to take indoors and outdoor shots na videos dito sa phone na ito, okay siya. Pero hindi lang siya ganun ka-stable like the Pro variant. But for me, okay na siya at its price point, of course, considering the price point. And kung meron kang gimbal na magagamit, better if you have one. But this is the resolution you'll be expecting if you're using just your hand for front-facing camera na vlogging. So guys, this is the all-new POCO F5 shooting at 1080p and 60 FPS. This is what you get if you're vlogging indoors. And of course, the default audio recording using the default microphone. I can say the resolution is nice and it's quite stable. So guys, right now I'm holding the POCO F5 and right now recording at 1080p and 60 FPS. This is the resolution you'll be getting if you're vlogging using this phone outdoors. And by the way, the audio is recorded using the default microphone. Well, what can you say? Now, if you're taking naman na rear camera vlogging using the rear camera na 4K and 30 FPS, this is what you expect. Now, itong phone na ito, si POCO F5, like I said sa simula ng video na ito, it can perform. And hindi siya talo sa POCO F5 Pro. Everything na kaya gawin ni POCO F5 Pro, halos kaya din naman na gawin, except siguro some of the limitations, like yung kanyang night photography, hindi ganun kaganda. And kanyang selfie camera, medyo mas maganda kay POCO F5 Pro. And of course, stabilization ng rear camera, better kay Pro. This one, okay siya. But of course, don't expect too much from its price point. But overall, every other thing na kaya gawin ni Pro, kaya rin niya gawin. So guys, I hope na this video was able to help you decide kung ito nga bang para sa inyo, si POCO F5 or si POCO F5 Pro. This one, I can say, sulit siya at 18,299 for early birds. Just if you're really interested, check the link on the description box below for the official store ng POCO. So guys, don't forget na i-check din ang POCO F5 Pro na video natin to help you decide kung which among the two would be better para sa inyong consumption. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course, hit nyo rin bell icon para hindi nyo miss mga future uploads dito sa aking channel. And so, ako para si Richmond, and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up? Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click the dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.